niños y niñas, ¿cómo están hoy?
¡Bien!
Me alegra escuchar eso.
¡Gracias!
¿A ustedes les gustan los dinosaurios?
¡Bien!
A mí me encantan los dinosaurios. Disfrutemos nuestra aventura de hoy con dinosaurios.
¡Sí!
Hola niños y niñas, guess what time it is?
It's story time with Dia! Another fun day to learn and play. To use your imagination. It's story time with Dia!
Let's start the show.
Hi, my name is Morgan.
Very nice to meet you, Mugen.
I'm dinosaur. I'm dinosaur.
Hi.
Later.
I'm here. I can help you. Hello. How are you?
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hi.
Hi. I'm feeling a little bit tired. I think I'm gonna rest. Oh, let's play together. Come on. Do you wanna play?
Yeah.
Okay, let's play. What are we going to play? Oh,
I play your part.
I have an idea. We can play numbers. Look, we have numbers here.
Number.
Yeah.
Number.
Numbers. Yes.
Five.
Yes.
A push it.
Okay, so I'm going to say a number and you have to step on it, okay? Everyone ready? Everyone ready? Yeah. A ver. Number 2. Mugen. Number 2. Number 2. Number 2. Number 2. I'm in the number 2. We are here. Ah!
Come save me.
What?
Come save.
What is Mugen? Do you guys know where Mugen is? Mugen?
Walking up.
Mugen. There you are.
Come save me.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah.
Where they are? Where are you? Ah, there you are.
Come save me. Dinosaurs. Come save.
Where are you? Hmm? There you are. There you are. Number one, number one, number one, número uno. Number two, number two, number two, número dos. Number three, number three, number three, número tres. Number four, number four, number four, número cuatro. Number five, number five, number five, número cinco. Number six, number six, number six, Número 6. Number 7. Number 7. Number 7. Número 7. Number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Número 8. Number 9. Number 9. Number 9. Número 9. Number 10. Number 10. Number 10. Número 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. ¡Yeah! Yeah, we are friends. Hi, how are you? Hi. Oh. Hi, how are you? I wanna eat something. This tree. Can we share this tree together? Yeah, sure. Okay.
Trees are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 trees.
Stegosaurus. Stegosaurus. Pachycephalosaurus. 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 Triceratops. Triceratops. Pterosaur. Pterosaur. Tyrannosaurus. Tyrannosaurus. Brachiosaurus. Parasaurolophus. Parasaurolophus. Velociraptor. Velociraptor.
Oh.
Again? Are you there?
I'm here.
Where are you? I don't see you. Hmm?
Go there. See. See. Hi, dinosaur.
Hi! What is your name?
My name is Morgan.
Oh, that's a very, very beautiful name.
Another fun day to learn and play and use your imagination. It's story time with the owl.
See you next time!